Hey guys, thanks for joining me. You can see I got the Pathe receiver back together, the chassis back in the old cabinet that's been touched up. Again, it's a rustic looking design. The knobs, some that I made for my little simplex receiver. It was the rougher copies of those. So I think that's a nice fit for this receiver since I was missing matching knobs. Back to the grill cloth. I appreciate everyone that gave me their feedback on that. The biggest number really was 3 and 4, 4 which I've installed. Had the most number of yays and followed by number 3. I like number 3 myself. I do have that backer board in place, so I can easily swap that out in the future if I elect to do so. But anyway, it's looking much better now. You guys can go back and check out the electrical work that was done back months ago. Appreciate everyone following the series. Everyone out there, take care, stay well. And let me play an oldie on this one.